Japan, the land of the rising sun. A world with many breathtaking faces. The ancient legacy of brilliant craftsmanship and creativity spans around the birthplace of DMG MORI, Japan. Only 1 hour travel from Kyoto, Osaka, and Kansai Airport. Nara campus today is the global DMG MORI Automation Development Center. In close cooperation with all departments, a team of visionary experts design ingenious automation systems, including the linear pallet pull system, the space-saving RPS automation, the gantry loader systems, and the flexible mattress solution to provide the perfect solution for every customer. The assembly plant is home to the manufacturing of high-precision turning centers and machining centers with automation systems. Equipped with the world's most advanced technologies, the 40,000 square meters of floor space allow the production of NLX 1500 turning centers, ALX turning centers, NRX dual spindle dual turret turning centers, Wasino turning centers, and I-50 horizontal machining centers. Years of experience and craft are the basis for the all-manual scraping process, giving our high-tech machines a very special human touch. More than 9,000 square meters of Nara campus are exclusively dedicated to the state-of-the-art system solution factory. 4,000 square meters of floor space can accommodate up to 4 80-meter-long production system lines. Each factory is equipped with the latest generation of three-dimensional measurement tools to enable the assembly, optimization, and finalization of complex turnkey system solutions for the automated production of automotive components. Including customer acceptance and shipping of the finished systems, the whole process is done with Nara campus and therefore protects the confidential information of our customers, for instance, in the automotive industry and certainly in any other one. The professionally serviced in-house kindergarten for 50 children supports DMG MORI's policy of well-balanced work and parenting. The luxurious Nobori-Uoji Hotel Nara, which is located just next to Nara Park, offers our customers both a perfect location and traditional Japanese hospitality. Nara campus is DMG MORI's production base for automation development, manufacturing, and customer service. In other words, this is the place where the legendary culture of craft, skill, and creativity is turned into the leading technologies of tomorrow.